The 2007 Ford Freestyle.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive.
All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners.
All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a roof rack, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.